In our fourth day of camp, students were asked to bring their Sphero coding, drone driving, and 3D printing skills together in a team challenge. Students were challenged to come together as a team for the fastest time through the course. While we planned on an opening drone aerial display and a closing drone aerial display, we found that most of our time was dedicated to the maze, the drone flight, and the bike race. Teams were formed and students got right to work. Let's walk through one team's trial run. Close enough. Just land it. You're good. You're good. Go.
He's walking. Oh no.
After returning from the bike race, the student team's time was stopped, and given 3 trials, you can see the fastest time was 1 minute 42 seconds. I'm impressed with how students tackled these challenges and worked together as a team. What's next for our last day of camp?